Thinking of changing your Wyoming LLC to Delaware? You're about to waste $1,200 on fees nobody warned you about, and here's the real cost breakdown. Here's the problem: you can't just convert. You're forming a brand new entity. Delaware charges $90 annual franchise tax minimum, while Wyoming charges $62 total. That's $28 more every single year. File your Wyoming dissolution within 60 days of forming Delaware, or you'll pay double registered agent fees for 12 months. Most founders assume conversion is a simple form. It's not. You're dissolving one company and forming another. A SaaS founder moves from Wyoming to Delaware in March 2026. By April he's hit with $440 in Delaware filing fees, $300 for a new EIN process, $199 for registered agent setup, plus the $90 franchise tax due by June 1st. He didn't budget for any of it. Total first year, $2,840 when you add dissolution costs and duplicate services. This is exactly why Bastion Formations built a streamlined state-to-state transition service, so founders know every dollar before they start. Most people fail here. They form the Delaware LLC first, then forget to dissolve the Wyoming entity for 90 days. Now you're paying 2 registered agents, 2 annual reports, and 2 state fees. Delaware's annual franchise tax is $300 if you miss the calculation deadline, not the $90 minimum. Wyoming keeps charging $62 per year until you file a formal certificate of dissolution. Do not assume one replaces the other automatically. The IRS sees 2 separate entities until you close Wyoming properly and transfer the EIN, or apply for a new one. Step 1. Form your Delaware LLC through Bastion Formations for $349. That includes filing with the Delaware Division of Corporations, your registered agent for year 1, and the operating agreement template. Delaware processing takes 7 to 10 business days. You'll receive your filed certificate of formation and your official file number. Bastion Formations handles the entire filing so you don't misenter the business purpose or registered agent address, which are the 2 most common rejections that add another 10 days. Step 2. Apply for a new EIN under the Delaware entity. This is important. The IRS does not transfer EINs between entities, even if the ownership is identical. You'll need IRS Form SS-4. Bastion Formations includes EIN application in the Delaware package and submits it the same week. Processing takes 2 to 3 weeks. Once you have the Delaware EIN, update your bank, Stripe, payment processors, and state tax accounts. If you skip this and keep using the Wyoming EIN, the IRS will reject your Delaware tax filings in 2027. Here's the problem: your Wyoming LLC is still active. Most founders stop here and assume it dissolved automatically. It didn't. You're now running 2 companies. Delaware charges you $90 franchise tax by June 1st. Wyoming charges you $62 for the annual report by the anniversary month. Your registered agent bills you twice. Your CPA bills you for 2 returns. The fix: file a Wyoming certificate of dissolution within 60 days of forming Delaware. Cost: $60 online filing fee plus your registered agent's final service month. Here's the exact wording to use when you notify the Wyoming Secretary of State. Log into the Wyoming Business Portal. Select File a Certificate of Dissolution. Under Reason for Dissolution, type Entity relocated to Delaware and ceased all business activity in Wyoming as of the date you formed Delaware. Under Final Tax Clearance, attach your Wyoming final tax return or type No Wyoming source income in final year. Federal return filed under EIN, your Wyoming EIN. Pay the $60 fee. Processing takes 5 to 7 business days. Save the filed certificate. Send a copy to your old registered agent with a cancellation notice for the service term. Or skip all this and let Bastion Formations handle the entire dissolution, EIN transfer, and state filings for you. Entity relocated to Delaware and ceased all business activity in Wyoming as of the date you formed Delaware. Form Delaware LLC first, $349 with registered agent. Apply for new Delaware EIN within 2 weeks. Dissolve Wyoming within 60 days, $60 filing fee. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit Bastion Formations at bastionformations.com for done-for-you Delaware formation and Wyoming dissolution. Visit https://bastionformations.com.